Edgewater, Colorado, and American Legion's post number 17.
Jack Spicer is having his 5th annual End of Summer Car Show, and together an American Legion post number 17 in Edgewater, Colorado. This is not a judge show, no door prizes, just a farewell to summer. Another reason to come out and have fun. We'll have a barbecue.
This is American Legion's number 17. Here's my car. Julia's in there. And then Bob's here, but Bob's over there. Hi, Bob. So here I am in Edgewater, Colorado at the American Legion's post number 17. And a Tesla, a Leaf, and another Tesla Model 3. Good. So this is my Nissan Leaf.
Oh, nice.
It's great for around town, but I do road trips and stuff. This one's from last year. We took 3 different road trips.
Ooh,
Yeah.
the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I went through Zion National Park, Las Vegas, and the Grand Canyon. Yeah.
It's like 4 hours from here.
Yeah. It was actually, we went through Zion first and Las Vegas, and it was the next day. Yeah, so. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, but we just got this car 3 years ago. Gosh darn it. Yeah.
Is it an electric car?
Yeah, all 100% electric. Yeah. Oh yeah. It gets the job done.
Yeah.
Especially if somebody's being slow or it's just regular. These 2 cars, that Tesla, that's a Tesla Model S, and that's a Model 3.
Okay.
So they have the self-driving.
Right. I think that was.
Yeah. I have knobs and buttons, and you got to do it all yourself. Well, there's cruise control.
Okay.
But otherwise.
That's nice. As far as you've gone.
So my first scary road trip was Yellowstone,
Where's that?
and that's in Wyoming.
Okay.
Yeah. And so that was kind of scary because of the charging infrastructure.
Okay.
It's not quite there yet, but that was like over 1,600 miles.
Okay.
Round trip.
That's how long one charge can get you?
No, I can go 150 miles.
Okay.
And I need a charge. So when I plan it out, I can cut it off at like 110.
Right.
Just in case there's hills and weather or whatever. So
Do you just gotta like find charging stations? Okay.
yeah, there's an app for everything.
Okay,
So
nice.
yeah. And if not, then it doesn't show on here, but I use campgrounds too.
Okay.
I was talking to some other people about conversions and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I know somebody that did that. They had a 1972 Plymouth Satellite. Oh my God! Every time I see photos online of it, I just go, oh my God, because I know it's electric.
Right.
Yeah. Started. Then she got an electric car.
Okay.
That's kind of what started all this.
Is the El Camino still in the driveway?
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I know, right? We have so many takers now. Only you.
Well, there's one for the tally marks of I should say I should be getting some kickback from this EV event. Yeah, Nissan wants to pay me. I go on road trips all the time.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
I'm Marcus.
Caroline.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Caroline.
Yeah. Take care. Oh, absolutely.